Schwabangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ya pi ki nongpen, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, pin yo kloy ki kubor na ke Jylla. Kublai.
But the processes that happened before that order was given, those processes are there. Hence, the decisions that we had taken and the communication we had made to everybody was we are not going to move any further than where we are. But before this debate started and before we had met the NGOs and the church leaders, certain processes had already taken place. And those are the processes that were mentioned in the House that day. That happened to be 3 provisional licenses. Provisional means it's a temporary license. That was given on the condition that within 6 months or 8 months the operations have to start. And hence we have put a stop to everything after the discussions we had with the church leaders and with the NGOs. So we have not misguided anybody. I just want to make that clear. And those provisional licenses are automatically going to lapse after certain time is gone. Hence, we have made it very clear to them also. I had multiple discussions with them that whatever decision we take in the future, we will do it after extensive consultation and engagement with the people, whether it's a church or whether it's the organizations or the public in general. So it's very clear, it remains as it was. And of course, they think that this is happening after the discussion, but these were things that happened way ahead and way before we moved forward. And the fact that these licenses, as I said, are provisional licenses which were given before we had those meetings and discussions, these will lapse within a matter of 6 months or 8 months. And hence my stand, which I had given a commitment that we will not move forward in any way until unless we have engagement, still stands, and there is no question of misguiding or giving misinformation to anyone. No, we have decided, as I said, for anything we move forward, we will have detailed discussion first. But as I said, the law is in place and the rules have been framed. So we will not move forward in any situation right now. We will only do it post detailed discussion and consultation and engagement. So there will be certain areas which we will be examining. But as I said, as of now, the act is in place. The question of repealing that act is not there. We have concerns about the online gaming in terms of the jackpot parlors. Then they need to be regulated. They have not been regulated for the past 25 years. So therefore, even if it requires that we wait for some time to regulate those also, we can do that because for the last 25 years we have not. But it was important to frame a law and the rules in place so that regulations of these kind of things can happen, whether online or offline.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.